So on question 23, we want to do the limit as y approaches 0 of sine 3y over 4y. And what we're going to do is make use of the little fact that we proved with the sandwich theorem, which basically said the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x over x is 1. You can see that over here in purple. I'll draw a green arrow to indicate that. So our strategy is going to be one where we take this fraction and we break it into its factors, and that'll look something like this. Limit as y approaches 0 of sine of 3y over, we'll call it air right now, times 4y times air over 4y. What we would really like is we really like to have a 3y underneath here. Because as y goes to 0, 3y goes to 0, so that whole fraction would go to 1. Problem is, if we divide by 3y, in order to maintain equality, we also have to multiply by 3y, and we'll do that right here. Now there is some algebra that we can do before we go ahead and take this limit. We can cross these y's out, and then we can factor out the 3/4 because it's a constant multiple. So we end up with 3/4 times the limit as y approaches 0 of sine of 3y over 3y. And since as y goes to 0, 3y and 3y go to 0, this limit is 1. And so we find out that our value is 3/4 times 1, which is 3/4. I'm going to put a red box around that. And I'm going to stop this thing and replay it and see if it's worth showing you guys. Have a good one. See ya.